What's up, guys? We back with another video.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel, and we got a surprise for y'all.
Yes, a very nice surprise. So tell them about the surprise.
Well, I just found this at the stores. My homeboy just hit me up, and he seen this at the store. So I'm like, ain't no way they got Oreo Coke, and they got some Oreos too. So we're gonna try them.
Oreo Coca-Cola. So let's see how that tastes, y'all.
Let's check it out.
Let's see. Let's get into it.
This how the package look, y'all. Did y'all see that? Look at the code. Boom.
Tasty. We're gonna let y'all know how it tastes.
I like Coke Zero too. It ain't got Oreo? Come on, y'all. Can't do that to me. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Come on, let's open that bag up. Ooh. It's two-tone colors, y'all.
It smell good. It smell like... Show 'em.
Let's show 'em.
Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
Can y'all see that? Ooh.
So it got the look like it has
Red and black, like a
got the regular Oreo. Y'all can see that. Got the regular Oreo. Then it got the soda pops on the back. So we're gonna try. It smells good. You smell that?
Let me smell.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it smells just like a Coca-Cola.
It do. Let's
and they
try
got
it.
the Coke on there.
Oh, you got the Coke.
Mine say the Coke, y'all. Y'all see that? Wow.
All right.
Yours got the soda.
Yeah, I got 2 soda pops.
Let's try it, y'all. That's good. A cookie with soda in one.
That's pretty good. And we're not sponsored, by the way.
Not sponsored.
So I ain't just saying this.
We just want to taste it. You never like to try new things? Not bad.
I want to try the Coke with the Oreos in there.
0 sugar. We're gonna see. Oh.
It said it had popping candy.
There's popping candy in it.
Oh, I do.
Oh, I see it. One right there.
Is it? Or this is the popping candy.
Inside the Coca-Cola side.
Is it? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's inside the cream.
It's inside the cream.
Feeling.
I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like little spots, popping candy. Okay.
That's neat.
I was trying to see like where the popping candy.
Almost remind me of a holiday, like seasonal cookie.
Yeah.
With the different effects and everything.
What do you think?
I think it's good. Give you that Oreo taste and drinking a Coke Zero at the same time. That's different. I need to go try it. Go to the store now. I'm ready to try the soda.
Me too. But what do you think of the cookies? Like 1 out of 10?
I think I'd give it a 7.
A 7? I'm gonna do an 8.
I think I'd give them a 7. It's different.
Very different.
And you really can taste like the soda, like the aftertaste.
Well, hold on now. Let's try the soda now.
Alright, let's pop it up. Ooh, y'all heard that sound? I'm pouring mine in my little cup, y'all. I gotta shine bright with the Oreo Coca-Cola.
Like you gonna say, shine bright like a diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Alright, let's test it. Hold on now. Look at that fuzz.
That fizz. Look at that
fizzing up, baby.
It's going down. Let's put the lid back on tight to keep the strongness in there.
1,
Ready?
2, 3.
Let's taste.
Let's taste it. Hold on. That fizz is gonna get me. Got me.
Gonna choke us up. I don't think I taste no Oreo. Maybe because I ate the Oreo cookie first.
Power.
It just tastes like Coke Zero to me.
It does just taste
Probably
regular
because
Coke
probably should have
Zero.
took the soda first. Because we ate the cookies first, so I really can't tell.
Can't really tell. Y'all got fizz though.
What does it smell like?
Smell? You smell anything?
It smells like Oreo, didn't it? We just smell
You
it.
just smell it.
A little
fizz.
slight. A slight
I'm let that fizz cool
Chocolate.
down. So
smell.
man, this Chinese Oreo Coca-Cola Oreos.
I think we messed up eating the cookie first, but hey, it's good. The Coke Zero good.
I like Coke Zero regardless, so
Yeah, so. But yeah, those cookies are good. They're real good.
okay, I do taste
You taste it now?
yeah. Tastes like an Oreo.
How it tastes?
Like an Oreo, like a chocolate Oreo.
I'm drinking Oreos cookies.
You gotta wait for the fizz to go down.
Mine's not went down. I don't know. Oh, I smelled the cookie now.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Guess you gotta wait a few seconds, y'all.
Yeah.
Man.
That fizz.
Oh, that Oreo cookie is strong in there. The smell. Yeah, you can taste it a little bit.
Yeah.
But you really smell the Oreo cookie flavor. Smell like chocolate soda.
It does.
Chocolate soda. Hmm.
It's not bad. It's not bad for Coke Zero.
Yeah, when that fizz go down, you actually smell it.
You can actually smell it and taste the cookie.
So that's neat.
That's pretty cool.
It's like a science experiment.
Science, right?
Chocolate and Coca-Cola.
Oreo.
So what would you rate the Oreo Coca-Cola?
The drink, I'll rate that. I don't know. It has
I'd
say?
say a 5. I give it
5.
halfway. The smell is strong, but the taste is kind of.
I'm gonna get a higher number than that because, you know, I had to wait for the fizz to go down. So
Yeah.
and you know, you do taste the cookie and you do smell the cookie. So I'm gonna give it a 7
Okay, that's fair.
because I'm used to drinking
Yes.
Coke Zero. She don't really drink Coke Zero, y'all.
I drink sweet tea.
You drink and you drink regular Coke.
Yeah, I drink
what
regular
if,
Coke too. Yeah.
what if they had the regular Coke and I just seen it in the
Coke
Coke
Zero.
Zero, so I don't think they have it in the regular Coke.
Maybe they may come out with a.
They may. That'd be crazy if they come out with a regular Coke.
Maybe
Oreo.
around Christmas or something.
But remember when they come out with the it's like fudge, white fudge cookies. Oh my god, that'd be crazy.
Yeah.
Like a vanilla
Yeah.
fudge drink or something like that. That'd be crazy.
Man, that would be.
But that's it on the video.
That's it, guys. Thank you all for tuning in to the channel.
Like and subscribe, y'all.
Give us a comment, and we'll see you next time. Hey, y'all run to the store. Go get some Oreo Coca-Cola cookies.
And try them out. See what you think.
Try them out. Don't forget to grab the 20-ounce bottle also.
And they got the cans too.
Oh, yeah.
So, all right, y'all.
See you next time.
Peace.
Peace.